Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about downsizing made simple. The first thing you need to think about when you're getting ready to downsize is having your supplies on hand. You've got to have lots of boxes around and tape and markers and labels, and then you want to have a plan in place. So what area are you ready to start on first? Well, maybe you're not ready to start on any area, but maybe you're forced to downsize. Maybe you're going into something smaller and it's time to get rid of all the things that you've been accumulating in your home for the past, 30, 40, 50 years? Anyway, you want to have a plan in place. So what area of your home are you going to start on first? Make that action plan and then get ready to start labeling things that are going to be sold, things that you're going to donate, and then of course the things that are going to trash or dump. You want to visualize your new place. So what are some of the things that you want to have in your new space? Knowing, of course, the layout. Now, you might not know the layout of your new space because maybe you haven't purchased it or maybe you don't know where you're going next, but you do know that you're going into something smaller. So will that family couch that's 7 or 8 feet long realistically fit in your new space? Probably not. So it's best to go through your home and think about those sorts of things as well. So downsizing can be made simple, and it especially can be made even more simple if you're working with somebody like me, your professional organizer. Check out the article below for more helpful tips and get in touch with us at GettingItTogether.ca, and we will help you have a stress-free move.